how to make money on X. Ready? Let's go. First, let's talk about revenue sharing. So, if you follow the rules, this is probably the easiest and quickest way to make money on X. You qualify for ad revenue sharing once you have 500 followers, 5 million impressions in the last 3 months, and are subscribed to at least the second tier of X Premium. Then, you will start to generate revenue every time a verified user views an ad underneath your post. Next is subscriptions. Subscriptions allow people to pay a monthly fee in exchange for exclusive subscriber-only content from you. You qualify by having Premium or Premium Plus, 500 followers, being at least 18 years old, and being active on X in the last 30 days. You do have to apply to be eligible for subscriptions, and I've heard of some people that apply and never hear back, so keep that in mind. But if you are able to get approved, this is another way that you can make money on X. And one other benefit of subscriptions is that when people sign up, they give you their email address. So you can add that to an email list, and I'll touch on that more a bit later. You can also sign up for tips. This shows up as a little dollar bill on your profile, and if people click on it, they can send you money either through Venmo or other cryptocurrency wallets, and you can sign up for this at any time. All you have to do is hook up your financial account information, and then people can start sending you money. Now, those are all the methods of monetization directly through the platform. But most people who are making tons of money on X are not generating the majority of their income this way. That is where these next ways come in. Affiliate links are a great way to make money on X by posting a link to someone else's product, and if people buy it, then you get a commission. For example, if your account is about sports, you could post links to jerseys or other memorabilia, and when people buy those products, then you get a kickback. Don't spam your audience with these, but if you can get a discount code from another brand and share affiliate links to your audience, this can be a great way to generate some revenue. You can also offer coaching or consulting. So if you have a particular skill, such as social media, video editing, graphic design, or anything else that you can teach someone else, you can start funneling people from X to your coaching business and teach people how to do something. And there are creators on the platform that make thousands of dollars a month doing this. You can also start a newsletter, and similar to the coaching or consulting, you can use your X account to funnel people into signing up for your newsletter. And the benefit of that is that you control the platform and you can send content directly to people whenever you want. And then once your newsletter gets big enough, you can start promoting affiliate links or even get sponsors for your newsletter to generate pretty substantial revenue. I think you're starting to get the idea. Start small, work your way up, and most importantly, don't forget that content is king. Don't let your desire for money overtake your content.